Wait lang. For me, one of the best qualities of industrial designer is their passions in designing. To be able to produce innovative product which satisfy and give, of course, satisfaction to their clients or customer.
So, since elementary and high school, nakaliligyan ko na talaga yung art. And sabihin na natin passion ko na rin yung pagkakaroon natin ng art. Ito yung nag-kurso sa akin para ipagpatuloy yung kurso na ito. At the same time, ay maibahagi ko rin sa ating mga estudyante kung ano ba yung mga meron akong kaalaman na kung saan pwede nilang madala at matutunan once na sila po ay maging successful na or makagraduate na sa kapatid.
What inspired you to become an art instructor? And how did you get started in your career?
Actually, before, naalala ko that's year 2012 when I started as industrial design instructor dito sa College of Industrial Technology. May pinuntahan ako sa Kamsur kasama yung ninang ko. And then I prayed. It's either, dalawang option yun. It's either babalik ako sa abroad to hunt for a job or magtuturo ako. So sabi ko, Santo Niño, bahala ka na po God kung ano po yung para sa akin. And then wala pang 1 month, nag-decide na ako babalik ako sa ibang bansa. Pero tumawag yung dati kong instructor na sabi nga niya, lilipat na siya ng school so kailangan niya ng replacement. So that time, sabi ko, siguro ito na talaga yung ito yung moment, ito yung chance na talagang para sa akin. So I did apply ng biglaan. And then dahil naman the following day, pinag-demo na ako at dire-diretso na. Actually, yun nga, I prayed for this and then God's answer. Gusto ko talaga kasi alam ko it's parang it's a vocation for me. It's my purpose. Yeah. And I'm happy for it.
So, message ko sa mga incoming first year na pursuing or interested na pumasok sa industrial design technology. So first, kailangan meron po tayong creativity and dedication. Napakahalaga nun bilang isang estudyante, doon natin makikita yung puso ng isang estudyante na kung saan sa lahat ng mga ginagawa niya is dedicated and passionable sa kanyang mga ginagawa. Thank you.
Yeah. So to the students of industrial design and to the upcoming students pa, ang design kasi is an ever-evolving field. Kumbaga, yearly by year, naiiba, nababago ang trend. So, dapat alam natin, nandun yung willingness natin to adopt, to learn, and to seek solution towards game. Kumbaga, dapat alam nyo kung paano kayo mag-take ng risk. And, yes, andun lagi yung mistake. Pero yung mistakes or yung pagkakamali is parang siya yung stepping stone nyo for growth, for success. Kumbaga yung magiging strength mo. Yan, sabi ko nga kanina, you should always be curious. You should always be an open-minded. You should know how to research over things kung ano yung pwedeng maging solution. But above all, syempre, dapat you fun. You're enjoying everything. Kasi if you are enjoying and if you are happy towards kung ano yung ginagawa mo, for sure, magre-reflect siya dun sa mga outputs na gano'n. So that's it. Above all, just enjoy the process. Thank you.
Okay, to all our industrial design students, just continue to paint your life with colorful goodness and kindness.